Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Sal Vasquez. I wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about choices and how our future is the sum total of all of our choices. And here's the bottom line. We base every single decision or choice on three things. One, the past, our belief system, and our value system. So whether we realize it or not, we base all of our decisions or all of the choices that we make in the moment or as we're planning for the future, we base all of our decisions, we base all of our choices on those three things, whether we realize it or not. So it would really behoove you to understand the process of how you make decisions so that you can make the decision that you really want to make and move toward the future with clarity and purpose and intentionality, instead of making decisions based on a default system. And that default system, once again, is based on the past, it's based on your belief system, and it's based on your value system. So, for example, if you're going to make a decision, whether you realize it or not, it's based on the truth of the past or the false realities of the past, hurts, pains, successes, failures, whatever it may be. It's based on the past, because really the only experience that you have is based on the past. So you're going to make your future decisions based on the truth of the past or the lack of truth of the past, because the past, your past reality could be false, and you're making a future decision based on something that's false. So you also make decisions based on your belief system. At the core of who you are, you have a belief system. Every single one of us, we have a belief system. That's why it's so important when you're making a decision to really get at, what do I believe about this? What do I really deeply feel about this? What is my belief system about this particular thing? You see, because when we're making a decision to move forward, when we're making our choices that are going to create our future, we're basing it on our belief system. And a lot of the time, if we're not aware of our belief system, we're going to make choices based on a default position. So it's really important to know what your belief system is. And the amazing thing is this, that you can change your belief system. If your belief system is not necessarily working for you, if there's some sort of faulty belief system that you have going on, all it takes is being aware of what it is that you believe, and then saying, you know what, I don't want to believe this anymore. I don't want to be insecure anymore. I don't want to feel like this anymore. I don't want to believe that I don't want to be pessimistic anymore. I want to be optimistic. Or whatever your belief system is, once you can identify what it is you believe, you'll then be able to change your belief system and shape the inner part of who you are so that you can better live intentionally. And then your value system is another thing that you base your decisions on. All of our choices are based on our values. So it would be really good for you to determine what your values are, so that you can base your decisions on conscious-based values instead of fear-based values. You see, because all of us have values, those values could be shaped in a very conscious way. It's something that's built inside of you. You have a certain value toward family or toward spirituality, toward achievement, toward influence, toward financial stability. Whatever your value is, you're going to live out of your value systems, even if you don't know what your value systems are. Even if you don't know what your value is, you're going to live out of that subconsciously. So it's important to know what your values are and to work in the same direction as your values, so the choices you're making are based are conscious-based choices instead of fear-based choices. So, when you have a fear-based decision that you're making that decision based on something that's false, and you're doing that because maybe of an insecurity. Maybe you want financial stability because growing up, you grew up poor, or you have some sort of block in that area and you want stability, and you're doing it out of fear. You want to be the millionaire because if you're the millionaire, if you have a lot of money, you think that success is attached to having a lot of money. Therefore, you're going to do whatever it takes to gain all sorts of material possessions. Meanwhile, that's not a conscious-based value. You're doing that because you're there's a fear there. You know, so it's good to be able to understand what your values are and then move in the direction and make the decisions that you want to make now to lead you into the future. And it's conscious. It's something that you want to do. So you move from the have-tos. I have to do this because, you know, I have a fear around this because growing up, you know, this was my story. You move away from the have-tos and you move toward the want-tos. I want to do this. It's my value, therefore this is what I'm going to do. So one of my highest values is influence. So the reason why I create these videos, or the reason why I do a lot of the things that I do, is because ever since I was younger, I had this desire to influence the people around me. And I want to influence people in a positive way. I want to bring the most good to humanity. It's a value, an intrinsic value inside of me that I know I was created with, I was born with, I was shaped and crafted in that way to influence. Therefore, I make my decisions based on the fact that I want to influence. So all of my decisions that I'm making now are shaping my future. My future is the sum total of my decisions. Your future is going to be the sum total of your decisions. How are you making your decisions? There's three ways: from our past, from our belief system, and from our value system. So try to wrap your mind around that. Spend some time with that. I hope that was helpful. So make good decisions. Make good, wise decisions. And your future and your life will take shape in that direction. Have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Peace.